And now, for the moment that we've all been waiting for. Welcome back to another Pokemon card opening. I'm Demon Ascendant, and today we're opening up the Celebrations Collection V Memories with Charizard and Sylveon. I only bought this for Sylveon. It comes with a total of 8 packs of Pokemon cards. 4 of which are boosters of 6 of which are boosters of 4 cards each, and 2 additional TCG boosters. A collector pin featuring Sylveon, a metallic coin featuring Charizard, and, of course, a promo card featuring both of them, with Dark Sylveon. Hell yeah. Anyway, here's the card for all of you guys to get yourselves this in the TCG game. And we got a giant card of Lance's Charizard. I really like this art style. So that right there is the illustrator. Phenomenal work. And we of course got a standard size Charizard card with the little stamp of the 25th anniversary. And our beautiful, beautiful Sylveon, which is a dark Sylveon. It's a dark fairy type, which I think that's pretty cool. Technically, it's a psychic type because it has the psychic type energy card. But, whatever. We got ourselves a beautiful, very, very nicely detailed, shine for the holographic Charizard coin. And, of course, one of the main reasons I bought it, an adorable little Sylveon pin, which I'll be adding to my jacket once I get a snapback, so this can't fall off. And as always, it comes with 2 packs, one from Sword and Shield's Darkness Ablaze, and one of them from Sword and Shield's Battle Styles. And some very nice, simple, 6 packs of the Celebrations cards. We're going to be opening these up last because I have no idea what's in them, and I feel like if there's something good, we should end on a good note. So I'm going to be opening up the Darkness Ablaze because I believe this is the older one. Here is the code card. 1, 2, 3. We got Yellhorn. We got Ursaring. We got Poltergeist, Gothita, Skarmory, Cubchoo, Wimpod, Funnelby, Spikemuth, and a Selgor and a Steel Energy card. And now we're going to open up our Sword and Shield's Battle Styles. Here is the code card for you. Now, these are 2 very different things, and there is a theory that this tells you you're not going to get anything special. But this card right here tells you if you get something special. So 1, 2, 3. If it is, this theory might actually prove that correct. We got Karkle, We got Single Strike Pignite. We got Rapid Strike Fan of Waves. We got a Sandalit, a Roly-Coly, an Esper, a Blipbug, a Rapid Strike Shinx, a Single Strike Stoneger, a Foil Steelix, and an Energy card. Now, I wouldn't necessarily call these special, but they are, both of them are rare cards. So this might actually tell you if you get a rare card. Now, of course, the main thing everyone's been waiting for. The Ultra Special 25th Anniversary Packs. Now, I might buy another one of these just to have as a collector item. Because I would like to start, collecting boxes of Pokemon cards and just keeping them as, keepsakes. But I'm pretty sure that it's actually, they're all sold out right now. So right here, it does come with this little piece of paper. A little code card. Actually, you know what? We don't have to do that. Let's go ahead and do it this way. We got a Flying VMAX Pikachu. We got a... Oh my god, this is an old card. A Garchomp VX. A level X card for Cynthia. And that is fantastic. Look at that. We got Palkia and Ho-Oh. So I think these are all going to contain packs of very, very, very special Pokemon. And this is a Dynamax, by the way. So Dynamax, so that's a new card. This is based on an old card, and these seem to look like they're from, like, older art styles, too. I'm not going to do it the same way as I've been doing it for the packs, since they are just, four cards, so I'm just going to open them and give you the code card first. Here is the code card. We have Kyogre with Shelly. I think that's what her name is. Got Yveltal. Oh my god, I have this exact card! This is the first ever thing I pulled when I started Pokemon card collecting. And Lunala with Lily. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. I have this exact card in my card collection. And look at that. I get to see it in a massive glitter. Look at that. This makes me happy. This is the first card I pulled in my first actual pack of Pokemon cards when I started collecting cards in black and white. God, I love that, and I hope I get the alternate version with Zekrom. That would be amazing. Of course now. Got way too excited there. Oh. Here's the code card. Sorry. Ooh, I love that art style. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Look at that Reshiram. Another Yveltal, a Lugia, and a Professor Oak. Oh, he's actually writing on the card. No, I like that Reshiram a lot. And it's beautiful. Like, look at the fire is actually flickering. You can't really see it with the kind of camera I have. Okay, last three. Here's the code Here's the code card. We got Xerneas right there. Gorgeous. Another beautiful Reshiram card. One with Cosmog and a flying Pikachu, which means I can VMAX my Pikachu anytime if I decide to. played these ones in the pack. Opening Pokemon cards is one of my favorite activities. It's so fun to do. And to show off what I collect from them gives like people an opportunity to take a glimpse at cards that they want to collect if they don't actually look online for them. Code card. One. Wait, I keep doing that as a reflex. We have another Xerneas. We have a Cosmoem. And I have the entire with Lily with Cosmog line now. Dialga. Another flying Pikachu. This is our last one. I would totally open up an entire booster box of these if Pokemon actually released a booster box of just the celebration cards. Okay. Code card. We got Groudon. Groudon and Kyogre in the same pack. Amazing. Another Reshi. And a Solgaleo. And I absolutely love all of these. My goodness. This is pretty much one of my favorite packs of cards that I've opened. And I've opened the packs with Zoroas and Zoroarks in them, both shiny and not shiny. So, saying that this is my favorite is saying a lot. So, just a recap. We pulled ourselves... I'm going to go ahead and start these off screen real quick. Alright, so recap, we've pulled Team Aqua and Kyogre and Team Magma and Groudon. We pulled Yveltal and Xerneas. A Professor Oak. Our two promo cards. We pulled not one, not two, not three, but 4 Reshiram cards. One of my favorite, actually, my favorite legendary ever. The entire line of Cosmog with Lily in each of the cards. So we have an entire story card selection. 3 flying Pikachus, which is amazing. A remade old card of Cynthia. This is some also high quality card, by the way. A pick collage. See, this is a card that actually, when combined together, creates a full picture. So this has both Lugia and Ho-Oh in it, in opposing arts, in opposing styles. And it has Palkia and Dialga. Right there. And we got, of course, our little merch stuff, a coin, and a Sylveon pin. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more card openings, please subscribe and follow me on both YouTube and Twitch. And I'll see you guys next time. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.